Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can share a screen on Skype. So what you want to do is go to the right bottom corner, and here you're going to see share a screen next to the chat. And right, you have an option like what you want to actually share. You can also share computer sound, or you can share a window. And right now I shared my calculator. And everyone is going to see what I want to like show them. And this is how you can simply share a screen. What you can do also is like switch screen, and you can like share I'm sharing second monitor right now. And that's what you can do also. And then whatever, right? You can share the window, etc. And you can also share computer sound if you want to, but this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.